This is Renee Jacob. It is June 11th, 5:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I am here to document an issue with the passenger front door not being able to be unlocked from the outside. There's an issue with the mechanical locking mechanism inside the vehicle. Right now I'll show you with my key fob that I am going to lock the car, and then I am going to unlock by pressing the button twice. Okay, I will show you that I'm going to leave the key right there on the floor so that I'm not pressing anything in my hands. And if I go to unlock this door, it does not open. If I unlock this door, no problem. Remember, the key is still on the floor. If I go to the driver's side, no problem. So let's see what the actual issue is. The actual issue is with the lock right here. The lock is still in the locked position. Kind of hard to see here, but if I press the very edge and I unlock it like that and I open the door, it does. It opens. Okay, so the issue is with this device right here. It is not unlocking when I press the key fob. Thanks.